Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a short review of the Aironox Ironing Device. So this one right here promises a hands-free alternative to traditional ironing. You clip a clamp or a damp shirt or trousers onto its inflatable frame, set the timer and temperature, and warm air inflates the garment to smooth out the wrinkles. While the concept is novel and some users appreciate the convenience and time-saving aspect, independent reviews report mixed results, like wrinkles remain on collars and sleeves, the finish is not as crisp as a real iron or press, and the site's marketing and trust metric raise red flags. In short, Aeronox may deliver casual wrinkle reduction and convenience for light garments, but it falls short of replacing a true iron or professional press. So, treat it as a gadget with potential rather than a fully proven innovation.